So I came home, had dinner, and then now my chair is broken. I don't know what happened. It was working perfectly fine this morning, but this chair is also like pretty old now. It's maybe like 5-6 years old, and like we got it for pretty cheap, so it wasn't like it was like a super high quality chair either. So I guess it's time to say goodbye. Like, you see how it's like slanted there? Like, I don't know what's happening, and like even when I like lean back, it's still slanted. So
expelled from the school, or he like just left the school himself because he just
girl.
Yeah, same. So I'm probably not gonna add the whole spice thing in.
Probably same.
Dude, last time I did that, and then adding the whole thing.
Big bag activities. It's so good though. Oh, that looks so good. I really like this one. So I just got home and I came home to a package. I'm gonna cover that just in case there's sensitive information. I think 𝑖jiibae. Yeah, 𝑖jiibae. Thank you so much for sending me this. I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. If you guys don't know, I have a small little TikTok account that I post like a lot of like beauty and like makeup stuff and skincare, so you guys should go follow. It's obviously gonna be in the bio. 𝑖jiibae, I think, is gel, semi-cured gel nail strips. Yeah, so I got 2 of their nail strips, and then they sent me an LED lamp too. This is the Lover Girl. Oh, this is so cute. I think I love these ones better. Like, they're so cute, like the little bows, and then like the... Okay, so I didn't record at all yesterday because I like decided to skip class, and then I went to work after, and unfortunately I can't record at work. I also had work this morning, so I literally just got back home from it. But I got 2 more packages that arrived today. I'm gonna do the Amazon one first. So this one's from Frankly. So I have worked with them before. This time they sent me their toner pads. So I can't wait to try these out. If you want to see, you know, me review these, go onto my TikTok. But yeah, thank you Frankly for sending me these. Next one is from the brand 𝑖𝑒𝑠style. You guys might have seen them online, but they are magnetic lashes. I have seen these a lot, especially on like 𝑬𝐻 which it is a Chinese brand, so but I'm gonna open these and show you guys the product. So they sent me a pair of their magnetic lashes and their lash fixer. So I can't wait to try these out. We got like cheese tarts and they're creme brulee. Good. Elaine, did you have it yet? What's your review? What'd you get?
I got like a honey madeleine.
Is it good?
It's so good.
Yay! We're in Butter Baker.
The reason I wanted to get bangs is because when my hair is on the side.
Oh, I got my necklace here. After the brush, they also have a hair comb.
It's okay. I'm just gonna brush it with my hand. Do I think she was?
We're doing like do all pretty ones.
I mean, whatever. Goose. My outfit's just all that.
Oh my gosh.
She's not checking it out. You already know what's ending up being. Why cut it? Yeah, I'm Judy Hobbs.
Nick, Judy Hobbs Lover
Oh
69.
my gosh, we can be one of. What do you think?
Sure. Bang, bang, bang. The first copies.
Oh, I hear it now. That's not.
This is not.
This
okay.
one is from. Which anime is this from? Dun, 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 dun,
Not
dun,
Haikyuu.
dun, 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 dun.
I know my faves. Whatever. If I can open it. Oh, okay. I see. I didn't see who it was.
I don't remember what I saw. Okay.
I'm scared, guys.
Okay. Yes, let the camera eat first.
I'm scared. I'm manifesting.
One yen. You flipped it upside down. That is not 1 yen.
Oh, it's fine. I love them all.
Yes.
It's Ray.
So cute.
I think my other photo card is also her.
Okay, she loves you.
Oh, the CD.
Oh.
I need one of those like CD players. You know, the ones that we can like put on your wall.
Oh yeah. Oh, she looks so good.
I love them all. Oh, and then there's like the track list. Oh, they're so pretty. Guys, it's my Pookie Bear. You know what? I love all of them. I feel like I have to say that because like if I don't, I'm gonna get canceled online. I love them all, but I wanted my Pookie Bear. But I love them all.
doesn't want to get canceled right now.
Because I feel like if
I love them.
because I feel like if I say like, oh, I wanted her instead, everyone's gonna be like, oh, you hate, you're a single stan. Because the one young stands already have a bad reputation.
Yeah, that's true. I think that was enough justification.
We believe you.
They're so cute. I'm gonna put this. Oh, my phone's right there. I was gonna be like, I'm gonna put it in my phone case.